So the work ethic, hopefully, they can find a little diamond in the rough here. Terrence Davis, the rookie, with a miss. Here comes Wiggins down the other way. Wiggins, the only starter on the floor. Cool, flash inside, finds the Bender. In the corner, hold up three. And off the way he can shoot the three. Mulder can see, but
No football.
basketball play by Bender. Didn't force it, can took the shot. Made the extra pass, and Mulder knocks down the three. Bender takes it inside. He's crucial. Everybody was following the trending Patrick LeBron. Now, the Wiggins. Wiggins averaged 20 games tonight. The 10th game he's played for Golden State since the trade with the Timberwolves. Rebound Bender. By Bender. After Bender has to come out with the basketball, gather, and go up and finish. Use that length to finish at the rim. Here comes Siakam. Here's a loss field advantage 4. We're winning in Phoenix 2 from Powell.